Hi, I'm Jamie Holme. I have collaborated with Meadows Honey to create 10 dishes which pair with honeys perfectly. So the honey smoked sourdough waffles is a dish that I created based on the acacia organic honey. This is cured on top of the salmon, which gives it a light, sweet, smoky flavour. This is also matched with the malted sourdough waffle, which I fermented the rye and barley through this, and then this is proved overnight for 6 days, and then we bake the waffles in a waffle iron. They have a crisp and a unique texture which matches really well with the salmon. This is also served with a hot honey mustard, which I've used the organic honey for this one. It's slightly more balanced and works really well with the spicy food. Check out my 5 savoury dishes on Meadows Honey's website.